photographer froze when a dangerous cheetah approached him, but little did he know she was injured. He quickly took her with his friends to the rescue where she was back into the wild. But after 2 weeks, suddenly the same cheetah showed up. She immediately approached the car and climbed on. Same cheetah showed up. She immediately approached the car and climbed on.
2,000 years later.
Labas-labas din pag may time. Ito ang tinatawag nating budget-friendly farm gala. Pwede sumaya kahit walang pera.
Talaga ba?
Sa isang normal na mamamayang Pilipino ay hindi naman laging nagtatagpo ang panahon at ang pera. Minsan may pera ka pero wala kang oras. Minsan naman may oras pero wala kang pera. Minsan nga nagkakasabay na parehong wala. Pero kahit ganon, magagawa mo pa rin naman palang ngumiti, di ba? Ang tanawing ito ay isang ilustrasyon sa kung ano yung sinasabi ko. Makikita mong nagkalat ang plastic. Bakas yan na sadyang masayahin ang mga Pilipino. Hindi alintana ang kalat. Ang mahalaga, mapresko. Kanya-kanyang ang umpukan ang mga pamilya dito. Tuwing hapon ay ganito ang senaryong makikita mo. Huwag lang uulan. Palamig, 10 piso. Dahil 4 kami, 4 na palamig, 40 pesos. Tapos may nakita ako ditong chicharon kalabaw. Kalabaw daw yan. Walang kamatayang kropek, mani. Bumili ulit ako ng 2 chicharon kalabaw na tag 20. 2 penoy din kay Papa J. Tag 20. Oh, 20. Ayoko ng balot. Ito lang aking chicharon.
Ayun, malaho. Hindi, tama lang.
Tama na.
40.
Ayun ba ni ate? Ayan, paggabi na. Oh. Paggabi na sa Golden Horizon.
It's like it's beautiful here.
Okay. What? Ano daw?
It's like it's beautiful here.
Yun. Buy it and make it. And mark it with a B.
And put it to the oven for baby and me.
Butter cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can.
Pat it and roll it and mark it with a B. And put it to the oven for baby and me.
Wow! Ito yung market. Ayan. Ito yung market dito. Tapos mga tindahan.
And a back here, and a back there. Here, back there, back everywhere, back. Oh, McDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
A few moments later.
120 pesos na food trip plus libreng chismis plus exercise plus kanta-kanta equals masaya. At nandito na nga kami sa bahay ng tita ko kung saan kami makakalibre ng hapunan. Bye!